at St. Mary's Primary School
These are the characters
that P5B made.
I hope you like them. I am Super Samantha. I am a blue unicorn. I love my friends and family. My favourite foods are strawberries and cheese.
I am Emma. I like having fun some days and I like lots of things. I like ice cream.
I am Freya. I love playing and I love dancing.
I'm Little Larry. I like playing in mud and being outside.
I'm Bippy Blue. I'm very funny, and I love happy hugs.
I am Farouk. I am grey with crystals around. I wear a monocle.
I'm Phlox, a robot alien. I like flying and coding, and I don't like when my PC crashes.
I'm Mr. Ted, a robot dinosaur. I like making comics and drawing.
Hi, my name is Bo, and this is Fluffy the Bat and Pumpkin the Spider, my friends.
I am Lava Drag, and I am really powerful, and I breathe fire.
I'm Fireball. I like video games, ice cream, football, trains and fire. I don't like roller coasters.
I am Lenny and I'm kind of scared of spiders.
I'm Ted the Penguin and I like snowboarding, but I don't like being alone.
I'm Kaka and I love planting and art.
I'm Hunter the Cat, that dysmatic.
I'm Joe Pork and a pig that wears human clothes.
I'm Solo and I like watermelon, but I hate mud.
I'm Elliot the pizza maker. I love pizza, but I hate pineapple on pizza.
I'm Little Tim. I like to play basketball and I'm 60 years old.
I am Pro the princess. I wear a pink dress and I love cherries. I am Miss Bobo Bunny and I like to wear purple dresses and bows. Hi, my name is Carrie and I love to dance and I love to run.
Hi, I'm Little Tim the teddy bear. I like music, but I'm afraid of the ocean.
I'm a monkey called Monkey. I like to eat bananas, but I hate birds. Every time when I go on the top of a tree, they swoop down and trying to eat me.